In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your website on Weebly. Whether you're planning to make major changes to your site or just want to have a backup, knowing how to save your site's code can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in and take this step by step. First, let's navigate to the Weebly site editor. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a menu at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on the option labeled Theme. This is where you access various customization options concerning the look and feel of your website. Now that you've selected the Theme tab, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find an option called Edit HTML or CSS. Click on this, and what happens next is that you'll be brought to the Weebly Code Editor page. This is a powerful tool that allows you to see the underlying code of your website. If you're unfamiliar with coding, don't worry. You're in the right place for this task. On this code editor page, you'll find all the nuts and bolts that make up your site's visual and functional elements. While it might look a bit intimidating if you're new to it, you don't need to make any changes to this code right now. Instead, our focus here is on preserving what's already been created. Look towards the top of this code editor page and you'll see an option to export theme. Clicking on this will allow you to download a complete copy of your site's code. This is effectively your website backup. It contains all the customizations, styles, and scripts that you might have implemented on your Weebly site. This is a great safeguard for the future, enabling you to restore your current version or transfer it elsewhere if needed. Remember, working with your website's code is a powerful aspect of site customization and management. Even if you don't make immediate changes on the coding side today, having a backup can come in handy. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to save your website's code on Weebly. This simple task will give you the peace of mind that your hard work is securely stored. Whether you're a seasoned developer or someone exploring site building, keeping a backup is always a good practice. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to follow along for more tips and tricks. See you next time.